In a move that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape, former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted on charges of making false statements and obstructing a congressional proceeding, just days after President Donald Trump publicly called for his prosecution. But here's where it gets controversial. This indictment comes amid growing concerns about the politicization of the Justice Department and the erosion of norms established after Watergate to prevent presidents from targeting their political rivals. And this is the part most people miss. The charges stem from Comey's 2020 testimony, where he stood by his 2017 statements denying he authorized leaks to the media about an FBI investigation into the Clinton Foundation. However, a 2018 Justice Department Inspector General's report revealed that Comey's deputy Andrew McCabe claimed Comey had indeed authorized such leaks, though the same report found McCabe made multiple false statements. Is this a legitimate pursuit of justice or a politically motivated attack? The indictment, handed down by a grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia, has sparked a firestorm of debate. Trump celebrated the news, calling Comey one of the worst human beings this country has ever been exposed to, in a Truth Social post. Meanwhile, Comey, in a defiant Instagram video, denied the charges and declared, "We will not live on our knees, and you shouldn't either." His arraignment is set for October 9th, with longtime federal prosecutor Patrick Fitzgerald representing him. Fitzgerald, known for his role in the Valerie Plame leak investigation, vowed to vindicate Comey in court. But here's the twist. The charges were brought by Lindsey Halligan, the newly appointed acting U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, who has no prior experience as a criminal prosecutor. Halligan, a former insurance lawyer and part of Trump's legal circle in the Mar-a-Lago classified records case, faced internal pushback from career prosecutors in her office, who argued there was no probable cause for the indictment. This has led to accusations of political retribution, with Senator Adam Schiff claiming the DOJ is now little more than an arm of the president's retribution campaign. Adding to the drama, Comey's son-in-law, Troy Edwards, resigned as a federal prosecutor shortly after the indictment, stating he was stepping down to uphold his oath to the Constitution. Is this a justified legal action or a dangerous precedent? The case has reignited debates about the independence of the Justice Department and the boundaries of presidential power. Trump's appointment of Halligan followed his frustration with her predecessor, Eric S. Siebert, who had not brought fraud charges against New York Attorney General Letitia James, another of Trump's vocal critics. Comey's indictment comes less than a week after Trump publicly pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to go after Comey, Schiff, and James, writing on social media, "Justice must be served now." This raises a critical question. Are we witnessing a legitimate legal process or a weaponization of the Justice Department for political ends? The historical context is crucial. Trump has repeatedly flouted norms established after Watergate, appointing personal defense attorneys to top DOJ positions, pardoning over 1,000 people charged in the January 6 attack, and publicly pressuring officials to target his political foes. This pattern has led many to question whether the Comey indictment is part of a broader effort to settle political scores rather than uphold the law. What do you think? Is this a fair prosecution based on the evidence, or a troubling example of political interference in the justice system? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is a debate that demands your voice.